Here is how I feed my animals. First, I start off with my dogs. Cass. So right now I'm doing my dog Rosie. Look at that little girl. She loves it. Cass gets filled up with water. See you back. Okay, got water in Cass's. We'll put his. I'll see you when I got my cats ready. Bye. Okay, we have my cats. Okay, Hissy. There's the little buddy. There you go. Bye.